Hi guys, this is Beto Chingon, and right now I'm restarting my computer. Okay, and I'm gonna go into the BIOS. So I'm gonna be pressing F12. Okay, gonna be pressing F12, and what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be changing the BIOS, and I'm gonna be adding a smart switch. That way I can restart my computer just by going into the BIOS into the power management. And let me show you guys right now. As you guys know, normally we have to press that button, to start the computer. But I don't want to do that. I want to be able to restart my computer from the distance or from my phone or with a voice command. Okay. And with that, we just need a smart switch and we can do that. But right now I'm pressing F12. My computer is restarting. By the way, it's recommended to use a physical USB keyboard instead of a wireless. I'm using a wireless. Let's hope it works, okay? But I already made the change before, so I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it. And like I said, you just use a smart switch, put it on your outlet, and then connect your computer to the switch. Okay? I'm sure everybody or a lot of people has smart switches, and they're using them for lighting and this and that, but you can actually use it for a computer. So let's keep waiting here. It's taking a little while. And the computer should be restarting now, but it's just taking too long. But anyway, keep pressing F12, okay? If your computer is gonna restart, keep pressing F12. In my case, it's F12. Some other cases, it might be F10 or F11 or, check with the manufacturer of your computer. As you guys notice, mine is a Dell. So you see that? I just go, it was here, a Windows Boot Manager, and let me keep going with this video. Somebody's calling me right now, but I'm not gonna answer. I can call him later. But anyway, you guys can see there, I changed that to the BIOS, okay? I went down to the BIOS menu, like you guys can see there. So we're gonna do the BIOS setup, and we're gonna press enter, okay? We press enter there, and then it's gonna take us to all this menu here. And the part that we want to change is this one, the one that says power management. So we're gonna go to power management, okay? And you guys can see the cursor of the mouse is working, so it makes everything a lot easier. That's in my case, but in your case, it might be the same or it might be different, okay? But anyway, we go down to power management. When we're in power management, we just double click power management, okay? Just to open the menu. And the menu is open, and you want to go to AC recovery. Let me show you. Let me get closer, that way you guys can read what I'm talking about. When you go to power management here, you want to open AC recovery here, okay? You open AC recovery, and that's in my case. It depends on the BIOS of your computer. It might be different, but in my case, it's AC recovery. So when you're in AC recovery, okay, you're going to click AC recovery, and the normal setup, the default setup for this is going to be power off, okay? Well, you want to change your power off to power on, like in my case. I already did it, okay? So your power off, that's going to be the default here. You want to change it to this one. This is the one that says power on. So that means when the power restores, okay, it says here, power on, system power on after AC power is restored. And that's what you want, okay? So that's what you want. That way, it'll work with your smart switch, okay? I already have a smart switch connected and everything, okay? And let me show you guys. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm just gonna exit this, okay? And my computer is gonna turn off, okay? It was on a previous restart, so it's gonna keep restarting. That's what it's going to be doing. So it's restarting. I'm not doing anything, okay? But it was on a previous restart, okay? But after that, I'm going to shut down, and I'm going to show you guys how to start your computer remotely or with a voice command. In my case, I always access my computer remotely when I need something from my computer or from the hard drives. And I like to be able to have that, because if nobody's home, it's going to be hard for me to call somebody and tell them, hey, go and restart my computer, go and start my computer. So if I'm able to do it remotely, I can just get my computer on, and go into my computer and get what I need. I can email it to myself, or if I just need to get a screenshot from my phone, whatever, I can do that, you know. So it depends what I need. If I need a document, I can email it to myself. If I just need to see something, I can just see it and then, you know, shut down my computer and I'm good. But that way I don't keep my computer running 24/7. Because by running your computer 24/7, you're wasting power, and also your computer is running 24/7 and it's exposed to, you know, people get into your system, you know, stuff like that. The other thing is you're actually running your computer 24/7. Your components 24/7, and that can take time away from the life of your computer. Okay, from all the components, hard drive, motherboard, and everything else, you know, because you're actually running the device 24/7. There's no need for that. There's no need for that. When you need it, you can just start it. And if you can do it remotely, that's great. You can use your smart switch, boom, and get your computer going. But right now my computer is starting, as you guys can see. And after that, I'm just gonna shut down, okay? I'm just gonna shut down, and I'm gonna show you how now I'm gonna be able to turn on my computer. I can do it with a voice command, or I can do it with an application on my phone, okay? So I can just shut down, okay? I'm not doing restart, okay? I'm doing a shutdown, complete shutdown. So my computer is gonna just turn off, okay? And it's not gonna restart unless I command my computer to restart. But right now, my computer just shut down, okay? But I still have the power on my smart switch. So I need to turn off the smart switch. If right now I'm at home, okay? But if I was somewhere else, I just go into my application and turn off the power for my smart switch, okay? And like in this case, I just go tell Alexa, turn off computer off. Excuse me, my apologies. Alexa, turn computer off. My apologies again, I guess I didn't say it right. Alexa, turn off computer.
Okay.
Okay, so computer's off. My apologies, the command, I totally forgot the command. I just said that command and I just forgot the name. Anyway, so now the computer's off, okay? And Alexa, turn on computer.
Okay.
So you can hear my computer just turn on, and that was just with a voice command. And like I said, that's with me being at home. But if I'm not at home, I can just do it from my application. In my application, I just go to my smart switch, turn it on, and that will turn on my computer. And Alexa, turn on light.
Okay.
Okay, I needed a light here. It was getting dark. Anyway, so the computer's on right now, okay? And it's just gonna take a little while to get to the Dell screen and everything. You see there? So the computer's on. And the good thing about it, I don't have any passwords or nothing like that in my computer. So my computer's gonna turn on, okay? And I'll be able just to remotely access my computer if I need to, okay? But this way, I don't have to keep my computer running 24/7. And also, I don't have to tell somebody else, hey, you know, go to my room and turn on my computer, you know, or go to my office, whatever. I don't know where you're gonna keep your computer, but in my case, I keep one here in my bedroom, you know. But I also have another one in my office, and I have some other computers, you know. But anyway, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. You just use a smart switch, you go into the BIOS, make a small change, and you're all set to start using your computer remotely. And you can use voice commands to start your computer. You can actually use voice commands to turn off your computer, but it's not recommended. It's better to shut down properly, you know. And in my case, I can access my computer remotely from my phone, and I can just go shut down, you know. That way, I don't have to worry about like disconnecting the power, you know, because it'll take longer to restart because you might have to check the hard drive for problems and stuff like that. So anyway, that's how you do it. So the computer's on again, okay? Thank you guys. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. And this is how you are able to start your computer without pressing the power button. And you can do it remotely with voice commands or with an application. It doesn't matter where you are. You can be at home or you can be on the other side of the world and you can still do it. Okay, thank you guys. We need more subscribers. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a good day.